Today we're shooting pro model versus pro photographer. Today I have with me my friend and professional model, Lovis. But today she's not gonna be modeling for us. She's gonna be photographing another model. Lovis, how long have you been professionally modeling for?
Professionally for 5 years now.
So the challenge today is we will have 5 minutes each to get the best 3 photos possible. As a model, it shouldn't be too hard, right? You know what to do.
I'm still nervous.
She's nervous, but she's gonna do a great job. She's
I'm
gonna do great.
excited.
So who would you like to go first?
Okay, I'm gonna make it easy for myself and choose her.
Okay, I'll go first? Okay.
All right.
I'm ready.
Let's do it.
Let's go. I'm going first. I kind of thought that Lovis would pick me first. Low-key, she already asked me like, hey, is it really 5 minutes? I was like, yes, girl, it's only 5 minutes. So I think she's feeling a bit concerned.
Ready, set, go.
Okay, let's go. I love the light here, so I'm gonna have you right here. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Oh, we got it. That's it. We're done. I took one picture. Love the hair. It's so beautiful. She already got the posing done. I don't really need to say much. Yeah, that's great. Okay, Superman. Okay, stand right here. Love the pose. Okay, there's no bikes. First thing I look for are the bikes here. Okay.
She just like knows where to like put the angles and the model, and then it just works out real quick. So whenever I do a shoot with her, she's super quick. She knows what she wants.
Let's do a little less hair on your neck. Yeah. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Ooh, okay, we got a flower here. Can we do something with this? Can we do something with the flower? Am I trying to make it happen and it's not? No, it's not gonna happen. It might not.
Jessica was like, oh, I want a picture with a flower, and I just like stand there besides the flower, and she's like, nah, not really.
Let me see.
But then I started posing.
I love that. She's doing, I'm not really posing you. You're doing it on your own. That's great. She got the poses down. We went to shoot with the flowers because I love shooting with flowers. At first I was like, oh, this is not gonna work. And then she was posing like a pro. I was like, okay, you sold me on this. We're gonna shoot with the flowers. Have maybe this hand on this side to frame that side of your face, yeah. How much time do I have, Lovis?
1 minute 40.
Really? Oh gosh, are you okay? Are you okay? Oh no, she's stuck. Okay, she's good, she's good. Are you okay? Okay. Oh gosh, we only have a minute.
Sit.
Sure, why not? Yes.
Over to you.
Yes, yes. How much time, Lovis?
1 minute left.
Oh my gosh, okay. Lean, yeah, those are great too. Okay, and then let's get up.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then let's, oh gosh, only a minute left. Let's do, really? Oh gosh. The time really flew by. I think I took like 3 minutes in one section, which I didn't realize it was 3 minutes, but then she's like, oh, then it turned into like, you have 30 seconds left. Let's do right here. Let's have you right here. Okay, then like put your hands up and like do something with that. Oh God. How much time? What's the time?
14, 30.
Oh gosh, okay. Yeah, those are great, yes. Time is a social construct. Oh my God, almost.
4, 3,
Lift your chin up, lift, arms up. Okay, okay. You just made my life so much easier.
Yeah, thank you.
Just so good. She just knew the poses. She knew the angles.
Thank you.
The rose one was my favorite, by the way.
Yeah?
I wasn't even gonna shoot there, but then you posed and I'm like, that is beautiful. Lovis is up, so let's get started. It's your turn.
So earlier when Jessica asked me and said like it's gonna be a 5-minute challenge, I was like, Jessica, are you freaking kidding me? Like, I didn't know that. Like, I was like, oh, we have like an hour to shoot and then maybe we have the one best picture. I'm not good working under pressure. So it's definitely a challenge for me and I'm a little bit nervous.
Hey guys, my name is Jovana. I'm from Serbia originally, but I live in Germany. I've been modeling for 4 years approximately, but I'm doing it as a hobby, not professionally.
Okay, Lovis, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Your 5 minutes starts now.
Okay. Ich will, dass du halt einfach so mal rüber. I want you to walk here. I found out the model is German, so I might talk to her in German, so Jessica won't notice what I'm saying. And also, it might be a little bit easier for me as well with the communication. So I think that's a big plus for me. Okay, ja, los. Ja, schau so ein bisschen. Ja, that's good. That's good. Do it again. Do the walk, but more like this way. Yeah. Okay, go. Okay, let's go there. Let's go like, can you sit here? Just over there, yeah. And just like sit. I want you to sit like a little bit loose, like a little, yeah, like this. Can you just like put this leg more down and more like towards me, yeah, like that. And this one more like, no, this one up, the back one, yes, ja, genau, yeah.
I feel like as a model, Lovis really directed her well, and she really knows all about posing models because she is a model. That's her strong suit.
And then lean a little bit forward. Yeah, that's perfect. Great. Can you just like stand there at the bike and just lean out the bike? Like casually lean there. Like, yes, like that. Oh, that's cool. Yeah. Put this leg more out in this direction. No, yes, that's, yeah. Okay. Yeah, these look good. Okay, keep on moving. Maybe we can do the walking shot just over here. Like you walk like this and then läufst du so schräg rüber. Yeah, genau, yeah.
Lovis felt more comfortable to talk with me in German and direct me in German. It was really nice.
Are you ready? And go. And then next time you look in this direction. Okay, go.
In the end, we did a great job. We worked a bit more together than with Jessica. Jessica did all the work, but me and Lovis worked a bit together because we're both modeling, so we helped each other out.
This one's good. How much time do we have left? 2 minutes, okay. Yeah, I actually like stairs. Can you sit there? Because I feel like I really want a nice... Oh, can you take that off? Yes, that's good. The time will like make me really like under pressure, but maybe that also helps being under pressure. Sometimes a little challenge is good for you. And then the legs, we have to look like this one, and then also put this one more. I'll just fix this.
Sorry.
No, don't apologize for nothing. I'm the nervous one. Yes, that's good. Do you like, yes, yes. Too boring. Let's do the white wall. Wow, it's too boring. Let's do the white wall. Maybe you can just like stand here.
Lovis didn't like the shot of her on the stairs, but I actually loved it. I don't know why she pulled her so quick from that. That was one of my favorite shots. I was like, dang, I didn't even think about putting her on the stairs. I couldn't even find stairs.
Yep. Yeah, look up a little bit more, yes. Yeah, this one is gorgeous. That one is yeah, perfect. We've got that one. Okay. How much time do we have left?
30 seconds.
30 seconds. Oh my gosh. Okay. I wanted to do like one more at the candle, but I'm not sure if we have time. Can you just like stand here? Okay. Just like sit there maybe. Yeah. If you can. Yeah, no, this one is not gonna work out. I'm too stressed, guys. But I think we've got 3 pictures.
Your time's up.
Yay! Thank you. Girl, I'm exhausted. But I think you said 3 pictures, right? We'll have 3 pictures out of this. Thank you so much for your trust.
I didn't feel a difference, to be honest, because Lovis knows the best poses, but at the same time Jessica knows the best poses too because she's photographing it, so there wasn't much difference for me as a model.
Let us know what you guys think of the final photos and what differences you spotted between model and photographer. You know, I will say, I regret not shooting with bikes for this one, you guys. Like how, I passed, they're parked everywhere, and I didn't think to shoot next to the bike. I feel like I let Amsterdam down. I apologize to all the Dutch people in the comments. So if you accept my apology, let me know. Let me know what you guys want to see for the next video, and I'll see you guys later.